You're watching Grandpa's Penny Jar, and today I'm going to show you 19 incredible Vaseline hacks that'll blow your mind and make life easier. Let's jump right in. Lubricate hinges and drawers. Squeaky door, driving you nuts? Just rub a little Vaseline on the hinges and boom, silent as a mouse. Works on sticky drawers too. No more creaks waking you up in the middle of the night, and no more fighting with drawers that just won't budge. A little dab and everything moves smoothly again. Prevent battery corrosion. Rub a thin layer of Vaseline on your car battery terminals and it'll keep corrosion away. That means your car starts up smooth every time. Corrosion can build up over time and weaken the connection, making your car sluggish to start. A little Vaseline acts as a protective shield, keeping your battery terminals clean and your car ready to go when you need it. Rust prevention. Coat your garden tools, razors, or metal parts with Vaseline to keep rust at bay. It's like armor for your tools. Moisture is the enemy of metal, and over time, it can turn your favorite tools into rusty relics. A simple coat of Vaseline prevents moisture from seeping in and keeps your metal parts in tip-top shape. Whether it's your pruning shears, wrenches, or even your shaving razor, a quick rub of Vaseline will extend their life. Fix a stuck zipper. Zipper stuck? No problem. A dab of Vaseline on the zipper teeth, and it'll glide like new. No more yanking and tugging at your jacket or bag. Just rub a little on both sides of the zipper, work it back and forth, and you're good to go. This works wonders on stubborn luggage zippers, old jackets, and even tents. Shine leather shoes. No shoe polish? No worries. A small amount of Vaseline restores that shine in seconds. Look at that. Just a small dab, buff it in with a soft cloth, and your shoes will look like they just came from the store. Plus, it helps protect the leather from cracking and drying out. A quick fix for dull, worn-out shoes. Remove stuck rings. Can't get that ring off? A little Vaseline, a little twist, and there you go. Easy peasy. Whether your fingers have swollen a bit or that ring is just plain stubborn, Vaseline will help it slide right off without the struggle. Works great for getting rings off kids' fingers too. Prevent light bulbs from sticking. A tiny dab on the base of your light bulb before screwing it in will make removal a breeze later on. No more stuck bulbs. When you need to replace that bulb, you won't have to wrestle with it or risk breaking it. Just a little Vaseline and your bulbs will twist out easily every time. Loosen a stuck drawer or window. Windows or drawers sticking. Just a little Vaseline and they'll slide smoothly again. No more struggling with that one stubborn window that never wants to open. A quick rub along the tracks makes everything move effortlessly. Keep shower curtain rods smooth. Ever struggle with sticky shower rings? A little Vaseline on the rod and they'll glide like butter. No more annoying jerking and tugging every time you pull your shower curtain open or closed. Remove sticky labels or adhesive. Pesky price stickers? Tape residue? Vaseline lifts them right off. Just let it sit for a few minutes and wipe away. Whether it's a stubborn label on a new purchase or sticky tape residue from an old project, Vaseline will make cleanup a breeze. Silence a creaky floorboard. Got creaky floorboards? Rub some Vaseline into the cracks and it'll hush those squeaks instantly. No need to wake up the whole house every time you walk across the room. Just work some Vaseline into the gaps and enjoy peace and quiet. Polish wooden furniture. DIY furniture polish? Just mix Vaseline with a little lemon juice and watch your wooden furniture shine like new. This is a fantastic way to keep your furniture looking fresh and polished without using harsh chemicals. Buff it in with a cloth and enjoy that natural glow. Prevent car doors from freezing shut. Just take a little bit on your finger or a cloth and rub it along the rubber door seals before the temperature drops. This creates a thin protective layer that keeps moisture from freezing in the cracks. The result? No more frozen doors. And you know what's even better? This trick also helps keep the rubber seals from drying out and cracking over time, which extends the life of your car's weather stripping. One tiny hack. Multiple benefits. Make screws easier to drive in. Ever had a screw that just refuses to go in? You press, twist, and push with all your might, but it still fights you every step of the way. Well, before you throw in the towel, just dip the tip of your screw into a tiny bit of Vaseline before driving it in, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it goes. Vaseline reduces friction, letting the screw glide smoothly into wood, metal, or drywall. It's especially helpful for older wood where screws tend to get stuck, or for metal screws that might otherwise rust and seize over time. Keep chrome faucets and fixtures shiny. If you want to keep your faucets looking brand new without constantly scrubbing, just apply a thin layer of Vaseline. Take a soft cloth, rub a small amount over the surface, and buff it in. The Vaseline forms a protective barrier that repels water spots, smudges, and even prevents tarnishing over time. This works on bathroom sinks, kitchen faucets, and even stainless steel appliances. Protect fishing gear. If you love fishing as much as Grandpa does, you know that keeping your gear in top shape is key. But fishing rods and reels are constantly exposed to water, which means rust and corrosion can creep in before you even realize it. Here's a simple fix. After a fishing trip, apply a light coat of Vaseline to the metal parts of your rods and reels. This will act as a waterproof shield, preventing rust and keeping everything in working order. It even helps lubricate the reel, making it easier to use. Stop ants from climbing. Nobody likes ants crawling all over the place, especially in your kitchen or around your pet's food. If you're tired of seeing a line of ants marching toward your dog or cat's food bowl, Vaseline is your new best friend. Simply take a little bit and spread a thin ring around the base of the bowl. Ants won't be able to cross it because the slick, greasy surface stops them in their tracks. You can also use this trick on windowsills, doorways, and even plant pots to keep those little invaders away. No need for harsh chemicals, just good old Vaseline. Prevent paint can lids from sticking. Ever tried opening a paint can only to find the lid stuck so tight it feels like it's been glued shut? It's frustrating, messy, and sometimes even leads to prying it open with a screwdriver, only to spill paint everywhere. But with this simple trick, you'll never struggle again. Before sealing your paint can, take a little Vaseline and run it along the rim. This prevents the paint from drying up and sealing the lid shut. Next time you open the can, the lid will come off effortlessly. No more mess, no more frustration. Plus, this trick also keeps the rim clean, so you don't get dried paint chunks falling into your fresh coat next time you use it. Simple, smart, and effective. Seal small leaks in pipes, temporarily. Now, while you should always get a plumber to fix major leaks properly, Vaseline can be a lifesaver for small ones in a pinch. Just smear a generous amount over the leak and press a piece of plastic wrap or a rubber band over it to hold it in place. This forms a temporary waterproof seal that will buy you some time until you can get a proper fix. It won't last forever, but it'll help prevent water damage and give you a little breathing room to call in reinforcements. A quick, temporary solution that can save you from a big headache. And there you have it, folks. 19 incredible Vaseline hacks to make life easier. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more genius life hacks. See you next time.